Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm with Emily. We are currently getting ready right now. We're having a party tonight at work, so I'm very pumped for that. So we're just getting ready and it should be fun. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog or not there, but if I can, I will. But there's gonna be cake and I'm really pumped about it. So I'm gonna go do my makeup. And champagne! Home cooked Italian meal. By the way, guys, her makeup. Oh my god! Sorry. Her makeup looks bomb. Her hair looks bomb. Outfit fabulous, fabulous. And I decided to keep my hair straight, and I put these cute little rhinestone bobby pins in. But this is the finished makeup look. So yeah, we're gonna eat our delicious dinner. So this is the outfit today. I've just got on this bodysuit from Princess Polly. Urban jeans, these shoes, they're from Shoe Dazzle, they're so cute. Obsessed. Alright guys, we're on our second champagne. Party flip, right? Right. Right. So I just got back from the party. I'm so tired, but we went and got Chipotle. So we're gonna eat Chipotle and watch New Girl because we love New Girl. But the party was so fun. I honestly work for one of the best companies in the whole entire world. If you guys have never been to Kittenish, definitely stop in, come say hi. Would love to help pick you out an outfit. But yeah. Jessie is just the best boss ever. Jessie and Eric are the best boss. There's Emily. Good morning, guys. We're at Starbucks. We're going to get, well, my camera shut off, but I'm getting a pumpkin spice latte. I don't know what Emily's getting.
I'm gonna get a vanilla chai, an iced vanilla chai. Possibly with pumpkin. We'll see if I'm feeling spicy.
Oh, yep. And Aspen's somewhere back there. Hi, Aspen. And we're gonna go to the dog park, and it's a really pretty day. So that's what we're doing. I got my PSL, and we've got our muffins, and we're at the dog park. There's Aspen. She made a friend.
Wow.
Guys, this muffin looks phenomenal. Cheers to our muffin.
To a great
day. Hi guys, so it's now the next day. I just got home. I'm about to go and grab a juice out the fridge. And I'm about to go and chill on the couch. I'm so tired. I worked all morning, so I definitely need to just chill. And yeah, I just wanted to get on and say hey. Yeah, I just wanted to get on and say hey and update you guys with what's going on right now. It's Friday. But I've just got my juice. This is, it's like pineapple apple. It's pineapple mint apple. And something else, I can't remember though, but it's really good. Guys, it's now like a week later. I'm just now picking up my vlog camera. I've been so busy. I think I'm gonna make a smoothie. I just got home from work. It's now Saturday. Yeah, I really need to film something. So I've got my smoothie all made. I said strawberries, bananas, almond milk, and a little bit of nut butter. So I'm back in my bed. I'm just gonna watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and that's about all I'm doing right now. I need to edit after that, and I want to clean up my apartment a little bit. I cleaned most of it yesterday, but I need to finish cleaning my kitchen today. That's a must on my list. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do real quick. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. I just got some of my favorite protein bars in the mail. These are just the best. I go through them so fast. So just got some of those in. I'm still watching TV. Now I'm on Netflix. I'm just so worn out and tired, like overly tired today. And I was gonna go out, and then I was gonna go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, but I'm just like way too tired. I think I'm just gonna like take my makeup off, shower. I already changed into sweats, so I've just been hanging. I need to make some dinner. I have no idea what I want to make. Also, it is so cold outside right now. It's in the 50s, and I woke up this morning and it was so unexpected. It came out of nowhere. And I think this week I want to make chili, because that just seems, I don't know, it seems so right with this weather. So that's what I'm gonna make this week. And I'm also just gonna get a grocery list together on my phone. I have the Whole Foods app, and what's really great about it is that you can just put a list on here and it'll let you like check it off, and it tells you like which section it's in. Like it'll categorize it and organize it like very well. So I don't know, I just really like this app. And now I'm just like on Amazon doing a little online shopping. I think I really want to get these. I've been seeing these on Pinterest so much for decor, and I feel like that would look really good on my coffee table. So I'm thinking about doing that. And then I have a few other things saved too on my list that I really like. So I'm just gonna go through this and order a few things. I just made something quick for dinner, just some pasta, and I just put a little bit of nutritional yeast on top. Nothing crazy. I'm still watching Gossip Girl. And yes, I'm eating dinner in bed tonight. So I just got all ready for bed. It's about to go to sleep, but I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog off for you guys. Sorry it was kind of a short vlog, but the next one I'll definitely include a little more. So I just wanted to go ahead and end the vlog up here. I just did my skincare and I'm about to go to bed. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.